Saitama Inu and Baby Saitama Inu are two different tokens. Both meme currencies have gained popularity, and also the market values of these two cryptocurrencies have increased significantly over the past few months. So, what is Baby Saitama? Baby Saitama has been introduced on July 30, 2021 by an Ethereum miner and cryptocurrency platform developer located in the United States. The Baby Saitama Inu project is an ERC-20 deflating token that offers friction-free rewards to holders while decreasing the number of available tokens in every purchase and sale transaction. Baby Saitama's three primary objectives are to focus on giving holders a worthy return on their investment, to build invaluable and helpful use cases for the token and the entire token ecosystem, as well as using the company's increasing success as a way to give a little back to charitable organizations and causes. Saitama Inu was released on May 31, 2021. Obviously, standing next to currencies like Mars Doge Elon, Shiba Inu and Kishu Inu, it was formed as a direct result of Dogecoin's massive profits. Now, the Saitama token is basically an Ethereum 20, so its transactions are stored in the ledger of the Ethereum blockchain. As per Saitama's website, the purpose of the project is to make financial wellness accessible to everyone. It expects to do this with both revenue from its tokens and by also educating an upcoming generation of investors about the digital currency. When it comes to functionality, Saitama is the same as most of the other tokens. Basically, it is a self-deflating token, meaning that it has a cap on its total supply and consistently reduces that amount by simply burning tokens. Saitama's current market capitalization is over $3 billion. Since it started, the token has increased by 304,000%. On the other hand, Baby Saitama has 47 quadrillion circulating supply and a market cap of $14 million. Baby Saitama's price has recently increased by 111%. Most early investors have bought billions of Saitama tokens as they are readily accessible for less than a cent. Such a token has the potential to turn every early investor to a millionaire in the coming years as the price increases, of course. An initial investment of $1,000 into the Saitama Inu in June 2021 reached a bottom of $750 in July, but then increased in the very next month to $77,625. Which one has better growth potential, Saitama or Baby Saitama? The entire Saitama Inu project is broadly distinguished by its companies outside of crypto. Based on the project's white paper, Saitama is developing an entertainment branch of the platform dubbed Saitama Studios. Through this initiative, the developers will be helping independent video game studios to develop games. Saitama Studios is attracting a lot of notice for its huge earnings. Also, Saitama intends to be a major player in the world of NFT. The initiative is backed by Willie D, a founding partner of the Ghetto Boys rap group. As part of a $50 million-plus agreement, Saitama appointed Willie D as its NFT curation and talent procurement president. The star was signed on to ensure high-level partnerships in the music and entertainment industry. On the other hand, Baby Saitama already launched its own NFT marketplace known as Baby NFTs, which draws a large number of users each day. However, the plan doesn't stop there, and the company's team is currently developing its very own play-to-earn game, to be launched in the nearest time possible. Baby Saitama possesses numerous unique features to emerge as a major success in the crypto field. When it comes to pricing, Baby Saitama has an exceptional ability to achieve new records. Baby Saitama is anticipated to boost its price. Other innovative features of the project involve using blockchain technology to enhance the stock control and even the rewards programs for customers. Currently, the company is in the second phase of its project roadmap and is moving steadily forward towards its destiny. So, should you invest in any of these tokens? Well, Saitama Inu is more popular and has more holders and more attractions. When Saitama Inu will skyrocket, then maybe after that Baby Saitama will follow that route, as same as what happened with Dogecoin and Baby Doge. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto videos.